So now that we've set up the squares, let's go and let's set up the color here. Now the color is going to be, again, a little bit of a verbose function, but it it will work out to be it will work out. All right. So first things first is we need to set up the colors, and we're going to do this in a series of functions here. So we're going to say our first function is going to be called randomize colors. And first of all, we're going to say we're going to go to color array choice is equal to int arc for random underscore uniform. And we will give it between 4 here. Okay, and then we're going to say that uh, color choice here. We got the color array choice here. And we also need to add in the correct square and as well as the color choice here. So we haven't added in a color choice, so let's add in that variable right now. So we'll add in color choice, make that equal to 0. Okay. So within this here, we're going to say color choice, and we're going to pretty much make it the same here. All right. And then lastly, we're going to add in a correct square, and we'll make it equal to int arc for random. So we're going to be randomly selecting a square. Okay. So let's take a look at this here. So what we'll need to do next is we need to add in another function here. We'll call this print colors, and we'll say if color choice is double equal to 0, okay, and if then, for example, LBL main dot font color is equal to color 0, okay. So we're just essentially printing the colors here. So LBL main will be color 1, 2, and 3, as well as 1, 2, and 3 like that. So we got 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. And then at the end of this here, we're going to say LBL main dot text is equal to, and we're going to print a variable here. Well, in this case, it's going to be an array. So we're going to say color array string, and we'll say color array choice. All right. So the main label, whatever the color of the label is which color you're supposed to press. But the label might be something different. At the end of randomized colors, though, we do have to call print colors. All right. Otherwise, it won't work. We'll add in another function here. We'll say print color correct square. And since that's kind of a mouthful, we'll go and just copy and paste that in here. So we'll call that one as well. Now, keep in mind we're calling it after we print the colors. In this particular app, it doesn't necessarily matter when you print the colors because it happens instantaneously. However, keep in mind that you should always print the logical one first. So you should print the answer before you you should print the question before you print the answers to it. So just keep that in mind. That order sometimes doesn't matter, but sometimes it will matter quite a bit. All right. So we need to add in a variable here, and we're going to take a look at this in the next tutorial.